Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss how to find general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x when q of x is equal to e power ax into v and q of x is equal to x into v. V is a function of x. Okay. In this session I am going to solve these two problems. First problem is based on the first case, that is q of x is in a form of e power ax into v, and in the second problem q of x is in a form of xv. Okay, we'll discuss these two cases in this session. Coming to the first problem, we solve first problem now. Solve d cube minus 7d square plus 14d minus 8 into y is equal to e power x into cos 2x. Okay, we are solving this differential equation now, which is in a form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Okay, whenever you have a higher order differential equation, before you solve the higher order differential equation, we need to check whether q of x is equal to 0 or not. When q of x is 0, you get only complementary function. When q of x is not equal to 0, we need to check which type of q of x we have. Based on that, you should follow the procedure. Okay, here q of x is e power ax into v form. This is okay, e power ax, this is v. Okay, now given differential equation is d cube minus 7d square plus 14d minus 8 into y is equal to e power x cos 2x. The general solution of this differential equation involves complementary function as well as particular integral, that is yc plus yp. I'll explain how to find complementary function first. To find yc, that is complementary function, we need to write auxiliary equation, that is f of m is equal to 0. Okay, by substituting d is equal to m, we get f of m, that is m cube minus 7m square plus 14m minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, to get roots of this auxiliary equation, you can use synthetic division. By synthetic division, we'll get 3 roots for this auxiliary equations, which are 1, 2, 4. Okay, this can be written as m minus 1 into m minus 2 into m minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, roots of auxiliary equation are 1, 2, 4. We got 3 different real roots. Therefore, complementary function is yc c1 e power 1 into x plus c2 e power 2 into x plus c3 e power 4 into x. So, we got 3 different real roots. Therefore, complementary function is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus c3 e power 4x. Now, to find particular integral yp, that is evaluated as 1 by f of d into q of x. Yp can be evaluated as 1 by f of d into q of x. Here f of d is d cube minus 7d square plus 14d minus 8 into q of x is e power x into cos 2x. Okay, now look at q of x term. As I said, it is in a form of e power ax into v. Remember, whenever you have q of x is equal to e power ax into v form, particular integral yp is equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax is equal to, this is the formula which we have to use whenever q of x is e power ax into v. 1 e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. E power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. So here this is equal to, by using this formula, here we have a form of 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. This is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Here e power ax, where a is equal to 1, so e power x into 1 by, this is f of d, no? So we should write f of d plus a in place of d, where a is equal to 1, no? You need to substitute d plus 1. D plus 1 whole cube minus 7 into d plus 1 whole square plus 14 into d plus 1 minus 8 into cos 2x. See, by using, whenever you have a particular integral in a form of 1 by f of d into e power ax into v, this can be written as e power ax. E power a is 1, no? E power x into 1 by f of d plus a. Here a is equal to 1. So f of d plus 1 it becomes. In place of d you need to substitute d plus 1. We get d plus 1 whole cube minus 7 d plus 1 whole square plus 14 of d plus 1 minus 8 into cos x. Okay, now we need to simplify this. This is equal to e power x into 1 by, expand this, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 7 of a plus b whole square, d square plus 1 plus 2d plus 14d plus 14 minus 8 into cos 2x. I have simplified. So e power x into 1 by d cube plus 3d square plus 3d plus 1 minus 7d square, multiply with minus 7, minus 7 minus 14d plus 14d plus 14 minus 8 into cos 2x. So on simplifying this we get d cube minus 3d square minus 7d square minus 4d square plus 4d minus 14d cancel, we get plus 3d. Okay, so minus, we get only this, plus 1 plus 14 is 15, minus 7 minus 18 is minus 15. These terms will get cancelled. We get only d cube minus 4d square plus 3d. Okay, e power x into, now look at this term, it is in a form of 1 by f of d into cos ax form, 1 by f of d into cos ax. So this can be, if it is in a form of 1 by f of d into cos ax, we need to substitute d square is equal to minus 4. Okay, minus 4 we need to substitute. D cube can be written as d square into d minus 4 into d square plus 3d. In place of d square, substitute minus 4. Cos 2x by minus 4d. If I write minus 4, minus of minus plus 16 plus 3d. This is equal to e power x cos 2x by 16 minus t. Now e power x into 16, we have to rationalize, multiply and divided with 16 plus d into cos 2x. This is equal to e power x 16 plus d by 16d square, 16 square minus d square cos 2x. This is equal to e power x. E power x 16 plus d into cos 2x by 16 square is 256 minus d square. This is equal to e power x 16 plus d cos 2x by, again in place of d square we need to substitute minus 4, minus of minus plus 4, which implies e power x 16 plus d cos 2x by 260. Now e power x by e power x into 16 into cos 2x, multiply with 16 into cos 2x plus d into cos 2x by 260. This is equal to e power x into 16 cos 2x plus d is a differential operator. D by dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x by 260. This is equal to 6 e power x 16 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x by 260. This is particular integral yp. Therefore, general solution of given differential equation is y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to yc, here c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus c3 e power 4x plus e power x into 16 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x by 260. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now, as I said, we solved two problems in this. Second problem is solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to x sin x. To find the solution of this differential equation, identify which is in a form of f of d into y is equal to xv form. Okay, v is a sin x here. Okay, as usual, the solution, general solution will contain two parts. The y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc complementary function. To find complementary function, we need to write auxiliary equation, that is f of m is equal to 0. Here f of m is, by substituting d equal to m you get, which is equal to m square plus 4 is equal to 0. When m square plus 4 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 2i. We got conjugate complex roots. Therefore, complementary function yc is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. c1, when roots are plus or minus 2i, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x is a complementary function. Now we'll solve particular integral. We'll find out the particular integral. To find particular integral, see, particular integral is evaluated as 1 by f of d into q of x. Here 1 by f of d. F of d is d square plus 4. F of d is d square plus 4 into q of x is x sin x. Okay. Here I'll write based on this formula. You have to remember, whenever you are finding a particular integral, yp is equal to 1 by f of d into xv is equal to x minus 1 by f of d into f dash of d 1 by f of d into v. You need to apply this formula to find out particular integral. Whenever you have a q of x is x into v form. V can be sin x or cos x. Okay. When you have q of x as a x into v, xv, use this formula to find out the particular integral. Okay. By using this formula, we can calculate particular integral now. X as it is x minus 1 by f of d, here what, d square plus 4 into f dash of d, here what, the derivative of f of d, that is 2d, into 1 by d square plus 4 into sin x. Okay, I have applied values in this formula. I have substituted x minus 1 by d square plus 4 into f dash of d, that is 2d, 1 by d square plus 4 into sin x. This is equal to x minus 1 by d square plus 4 into 2d. Now look at this term. It is sin x by 1 by d square. It is in a form of 1 by f of d into sin ax form, where a is equal to 1. If you have a sin ax form, you need to substitute d square as a minus 1 square. Okay, substitute d square as a minus 1 square, that is minus 1 plus 4 sin x. So which is equal to x minus 1 by d square plus 4 into 2d into 1 by minus 1 plus 4 is 3 sin x. Okay, now multiply with 1 by 3 sin x. This is equal to x into 1 by 3 sin x is x by 3 sin x minus 1 by d square plus 4 into 2d into 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3 into d sin x. I have multiplied with 1 by 3. X into 1 by 3 sin x minus 1 by d square plus 4 into 2d into 1 by 3 sin x. This is equal to x by 3 sin x minus 1 by d square plus 4 into 2 by 3 d sin x. What is d? D is a differential operator. D sin x, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So this is equal to x by 3 sin x minus 1 by minus 2 by 3 1 by d square plus 4 cos x. This is equal to x by 3 sin x minus 2 by 3. Look at this term. Again it is in a form of 1 by f of d into cos ax. Okay, where a is equal to 1. You need to substitute d square as a minus a square. So minus 2 by 3, 1 by minus 1 plus 4 into cos x. This is equal to x by 3 sin x minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 cos x. This is equal to x by 3 sin x minus 2 by 9 cos x. So therefore particular integral yp is equal to x by 3 sin x minus 2 by 9 cos x. Therefore general solution is yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to yc is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus x by 3 sin x minus 2 by 9 cos x. By 9 cos x. Here this is the general solution of given differential equation. of the type f of d into y is equal to q of x, where q of x is x into sin x. Okay, this is about second problem. Yes, in today's class we'll discuss how to find general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x when q of x is e power ax into v and q of x is xv. Okay, we have solved these two problems. This is about today's session.